Thank you, Laura. So, orientation regarding the beginning of tutorials. Thank you. I'm Mariela Rocha. I'm a leader of training and policies at LACNIC. Good morning, everyone. For me, it is an immense pleasure to welcome you to this capacity building activities, the tutorials that we'll be having today. But before we start, and before embarking into the technical topics, let me share with you a brief reflection as to why we are here. Let me tell you that for LACNIC, training and capacity building and sharing knowledge is not just one further initiative. It's not just by chance that we are gathered here today sharing the Monday tutorials. And this is not an initiative that we organize without prior coordination and without deep thought into what we dedicate the tutorials to. In fact, the mission of LACNIC, as part of LACNIC's mission, we have this: to promote the development, the sustained development and growth of the regional community by strengthening the technical capacities and applied research. As you can see, this is part of LACNIC's DNA to train and to share knowledge. How does LACNIC go about this mission? Some of the capacity building instances that LACNIC organizes are, for example, LACNIC Campus. LACNIC Campus is an online capacity building platform. Many of you are probably familiar with this platform already. These have more than 40,000 users from the entire region. We have users also from other parts of the world. I'm happy to say that 95% of satisfaction is the feedback we have received from all the students. The students are associate members and non-associate members. Everyone in the community can take part in these activities of LACNIC Campus throughout the year. We have about 8,000 users. More than 80% of all those users are LACNIC members. This initiative is not just limited to isolated courses. For a couple of years now, LACNIC has also launched a new proposal to encourage professional training, and we have 3 specialty areas that have LACNIC certification. 3 specialty areas in different fields of performance. As you can see here, we have network operations, data center, network operations, and data centers and ISPs. We have dozens of professionals in the region who have obtained the LACNIC certification. In addition to that, we have other training activities, other capacity building events, such as the webinars. The webinars are online training workshops and seminars on all the various topics of interest to the technical. Activities such as those we're having today. These are the technical tutorials. These are in-person training activities that are carried out during the LACNIC events, both in the May and in the October LACNIC events. We have certain objectives that we set out at the beginning of every year to provide continuity to this. These do not occur just at random. The tutorials you will be having today have been planned by LACNIC in order to consolidate the mission we have at LACNIC. One of the objectives is to incorporate new technologies. What did we do this year to achieve this goal? We added more advanced mechanisms developed by IETF, such as ASPA. One of the tutorials will have to do with routing security and will introduce the topic of ASPA. This is something that is quite new in the technical field. Also, the use of BGP, the role that BGP has for route hijacking. So these are the various topics that we decided to include in order to meet the objective of incorporating new technologies. Then we have IPv6 as the strategic solution. This is something that we defined as an objective. IPv6 has to be a strategic solution. And focusing on the training activities from the basic things of IPv6 and taking this over to IPv6 only networks. This is in order to reduce the dependency we have on IPv4 and the costs associated to this. A further objective that we established for this year has to do with adaptation to the local context. This is something that we do every single year when we organize our tutorials. We verify what is a local context. In the contents, we include everything that has to do with reports on security incidents that occurred in the country where we are. In this case, this would be Panama. And finally, we always try to advance in going from what is general to the operational parts. The initial tutorials were more of a general nature and more basic. And over the years, we have advanced towards a more operational discipline, or we consider more than 95% of all the participants are network operators. So with all these goals in mind, we have organized the tutorials for today. You can see here on the screen what LACNIC 45 has prepared so that you can receive training today. For example, I will be sharing with you some of these tutorials. You've probably already thought which tutorial you'll be participating in, but this is just to give you a refresh of what we have in offer for today. We have one for resource administration and LACNIC as a security module by Jose Varela. I wonder whether Jose is here in the room. Jose Varela, Lorenzo Abelenda, Graciela Martinez, who is seated here at the front. She'll be in charge of that module on security. And Guillermo Pereira, who is here in the room as well. Are you around, Guillermo? Let me clarify something regarding this tutorial. This will not take place in this building. You have to walk towards the beach and follow the path that takes you to the left. It's very hot. Don't get discouraged by the heat. Walk around the hotel. It's such a beautiful place. Look at the beach from far away while you walk in that direction. You will have to walk. You will pass the gym, and then you'll go up to the second floor, and there's a room called Tink, and that is where the resource administration activity will take place. So don't get discouraged if you don't find it in this section of the building. You just have to exit this building. But the facilitators are looking forward to receiving you there. Another tutorial this morning is my recursive DNS server ready for the root KSK rollover? It's a very interesting tutorial by Carlos Martinez and Nicolás Antoniello, two amazing facilitators. Just make the most, try to ask them as many questions as you can. Don't miss this opportunity. One of the other tutorials that we have planned is that of routing security from RPKI to ASPA. by Guillermo Sicileo and Erica Vega. Guillermo and Erica, are you here? If you're here, just raise your hand, please. Many of the facilitators, okay, there, yes, there you are. It's important to identify them so then when you look for the room, you know who will be seeing there. This tutorial will be throughout this morning, the entire morning, and mid-morning in the same room where we have recursive DNS. We will be starting with the path to IPv6 only with José Cotua and Alejandro Acosta. They will be giving a tutorial that will continue this afternoon. It will be starting in the morning and finishing in the afternoon. One of the other tutorials that we have planned for today, you see there are so many topics today.
Another tutorial is the interactive workshop. How does LACNIC administer internet resources and what impact would you have? So I'm in charge of that at the Pearl Club that I encouraged you to go. I'll be waiting for you there. It's very important. The workshop has discusses how LACNIC and enable the community to decide the rules that are going to guide the IPv6, IPv4, and the ASNs. It's the community that decides that, but you need to know the tools available for the community to decide it or to work with that. So don't miss it. And finally, secure routing. With the laboratory and validation of origins with Silvia Tais, Santiago Accio, and Nicolas Antonio. There I see the hand of Santiago Accio. This is going to be this afternoon. It's very interesting, very interactive, very, very nice hands-on lab. So this is everything I had to tell you, to encourage you to share together this Monday with the tutorials. So make the most of it. Ask any questions you can think of to tutors. You have microphones to speak up. These are meant to be very enriching days. And please remember the first slide I showed you. You getting trained as professionals, you're working together with us to build that mission of LACNIC, that is strengthening technical capacities. So enjoy this day. Welcome to our training tutorials at LACNIC. Thank you.